Good morning. It is Friday, January 23rd, 2026, at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Tech news: the artificial intelligence landscape continues its rapid evolution with significant developments in commercialization and capability assessment. OpenAI is reportedly intensifying its push into the enterprise sector for 2026, a move that has drawn a surprised reaction from Google DeepMind's CEO regarding the potential for ads in ChatGPT. This strategic divergence highlights differing approaches to monetizing advanced AI. Concurrently, the startup ecosystem is thriving, with Blockit, an AI agent for calendar negotiation, securing $5 million in seed funding, and LiveKit, a voice AI engine partnering with OpenAI, achieving a $1 billion valuation. Inference startup Inferact also raised $150 million to commercialize VLLM, underscoring robust investment in AI infrastructure. However, new research is raising questions about the readiness of AI agents for complex white-collar workplace tasks, suggesting a gap between current capabilities and practical enterprise application. In autonomous vehicles, both Tesla and Waymo are expanding their services. Tesla has launched robotaxi rides in Austin without human safety drivers, while Waymo has opened its public robotaxi service in Miami. Meanwhile, Microsoft 365 experienced an hours-long outage, preventing enterprise customers from accessing essential services like email and files, highlighting the critical reliance on cloud infrastructure. General Motors announced plans to end Chevy Bolt EV production next year and will move the manufacturing of a China-made Buick model to a U.S. factory, signaling a strategic shift in its electric vehicle production and supply chain. Business news: the global semiconductor market is experiencing significant shifts driven by the escalating demand for artificial intelligence. Surging memory chip prices are beginning to dim the outlook for consumer electronics manufacturers, while Disco shares have seen a substantial rise, reflecting the booming demand for AI chips. Further emphasizing this trend, Nvidia has invested in the AI startup Baseten, indicating a broader market shift towards AI-centric hardware and software. On the international economic front, Japan's exports have recorded a fourth consecutive month of growth, partially bolstered by a weaker yen, suggesting a positive trajectory for the nation's trade balance. The energy sector is also seeing notable activity, with Valero acquiring a Venezuelan oil cargo as part of a deal with Washington, and Kinder Morgan along with Santos reporting strong cash flows and earnings, fueled by robust LNG demand and pipeline growth. In the cryptocurrency space, BitGo, a prominent crypto firm, successfully raised $212.8 million in its U.S. initial public offering, demonstrating continued investor confidence and expansion in the digital asset market. World news: international relations are marked by President Trump's recent actions and statements. He has withdrawn Canada's invitation to his proposed Board of Peace, an initiative that the United Kingdom has also hesitated to join, citing concerns over Russia's commitment to peace in Ukraine. These developments, alongside President Trump's claims regarding NATO troops in Afghanistan and his administration's unveiling of plans for a new Gaza, underscore significant shifts in global diplomatic alignments and U.S. foreign policy. In maritime affairs, the issue of sanctioned Russian tankers navigating the English Channel persists, with dozens reportedly passing through despite the UK's vows of assertive action. France has taken a more direct approach, seizing a suspected Russian shadow fleet tanker in waters between Spain and Morocco, highlighting ongoing challenges in enforcing international sanctions. Humanitarian and security concerns remain critical in Syria, where the United Nations is preparing to take over the al-Hol camp, home to families of Islamic State fighters, following recent unrest. Political developments are also unfolding in Venezuela, where the son-in-law of an opposition candidate has been freed from jail, and in Uganda, an opposition member of parliament has been arrested in connection with election violence, reflecting continued regional political tensions. That is your briefing for today. Stay focused.